execute the powers and trusts reposed in me as Minister of Immigration, Refugees, and Citizenship. Merci beaucoup.
Okay, Lena Metlege Diab, the MP for Halifax West. This is a big portfolio as well, given some of the challenges that Canada has been facing and the commitment. I understand she was a Minister of Immigration provincially in Nova Scotia.
Yeah, in the Stephen McNeil governments in Nova Scotia. She's also been an Attorney General, a Minister of Justice, Advanced Education, Acadian Affairs, and Francophonie at the provincial level. So there is overlap in the experience, but you know, a provincial immigration portfolio in Atlantic Canada is more about provincial nominees trying to get economic migrants come in, you know, to fill skill gaps, these sorts of things. So some familiarity with it, but a much bigger, much more difficult, much bigger job at this level. And this is one of those, I think, surprising elevations.
Introducing Canada to the world.
Keep watching Live Goes on GHTV, Toronto, Canada.
Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Mr. Bruce, and you are watching us on Live Goes on GHTV. Live Goes on GHTV, Toronto, Canada. Please make sure you subscribe, you like, comment, and share. Please share this video. We have a program in Canada called Meet and Greet Festival 2025. This year is going to be the 5th edition, Meet and Greet Festival. And another program too is called Say Hi and Remember. Please make sure you're going to be there. We have regulated Canadian immigration consultant available. And we have a WhatsApp group for refugees, new international students, visitors, and you can join plus this number, +1 289 242 3465. We are 2,350 plus members, refugees, international students, and visitor visa holders. Today's video title, Spousal Sponsorship in Canada. Mr. Shailesh is going to teach us a lot of things. Mr. Shailesh, how you doing?
I'm good.
Mr. Shailesh is a regulated Canadian immigration consultant in Canada. He can help you with your refugee claim, visitor visa, express entry, PMP program, and so just link up. Mr. Shailesh will help you. Mr. Shailesh,
Yes,
today
Mr.
we are
Bruce.
going to talk about spousal application. A lot of people, they want to know how to pass the eligibility, and can you explain spousal application?
So, if you're married in Canada or outside Canada to a Canadian citizen or PR, you are eligible to apply for spousal sponsorship. So there are two parts to it. Your spouse who's sponsoring you from Canada needs to clear an eligibility test. So to clear, he should not have been sponsored by somebody in the past 5 years. He should not have a criminal record. He should not have a domestic abuse record. So there are a few more things which we can discuss in details, but by and large, these are the things, you know. He should not have sponsored somebody in the past 3 years. These are a few things which we can tell you right now, but there are more than this, but these are the major points. The sponsor should not be bankrupt. He should not have been filed bankruptcy recently. Although there is no financial requirement, but still the visa officer looks at the job requirement. Like they still ask for job letter, T4 and stuff like that, in order to assess whether the marriage is genuine and the person will be able to take care of the, applicant. So all in all, a sponsorship application is a commitment by the sponsor that he will take care of the applicant in case of adverse impact, adversity here in Canada. If the applicant who is coming from abroad or who is being sponsored by the applicant does not find a job, he will commit to his welfare, or he will commit to his income requirements for number of years. So it's 3 years right now. So these are the few requirements of a spousal sponsorship.
Okay, thank you so much, Mr. Shailesh. What's the difference between the spousal and common law? Explain the meaning to us, sir.
So when you have a spousal sponsorship, it's already a committed relationship. You can verify your spousal sponsorship through marriage certificate, through a long-term commitment. So a lot of people have visited your marriage, and you have already proven that you are going to commit yourself for a long-term relationship under one roof. That's a marriage. Whereas a common in law, you should already be living with that person for at least 12 months in order to be eligible for a common in law sponsorship application in Canada. Whereas in spousal, you can, once you get married, your marriage certificate shows that you are committing for a long term. There is no 12 months period requirement, staying together requirement as in common in law. So common in law requires a previous 12-month relationship staying under one roof. You should be staying with that person for past 12 months, and your commitment should be as husband and wife commitments are, and you should be committed to living together for a long term. The commitment should not be just for living for immigration purpose. It should be as if you are committed as a couple for long-term relationship. So that's the major difference between spousal and a common in law sponsorship.
Okay. Thank you, Mr. Shailesh. How long does it take for IRCC to, review the eligibility for spousal sponsorship?
Right now, it's taking somewhere around 3 months to get an AOR. So once your eligibility of sponsorship is, verified, they send you your application of receipt. So anywhere between 1 to 3 months is a reasonable time right now.
Nice. How much income do one need to sponsor in Canada?
Well, as such, there is no income requirement, but still the visa officer will require you to send him your job letter, your T4, your income status, so that he understands that this marriage is not a marriage of convenience. It's a marriage genuine, and it's a marriage genuine for living together, not a marriage for just getting immigration status in Canada. That's why they look at all different financial aspects of the sponsor, and they want to make sure everything looks compatible along with between the sponsor and the applicant.
Oh, nice. When they say marriage of inconvenience, it means what?
Marriage of convenience. So marriage of convenience is, a lot of people here, a lot of marriages have come to light where they pay the sponsor to get married and to get status in immigration. This fraud has come to immigration light, and immigration doesn't want to encourage this kind of things, and this kind of marriage is illegal in Canada. One should not do it. It should be a genuine marriage to live with that person. Your commitment should be genuine, your marriage should be genuine, and getting marriage by fraudulent manner would attract a lot of penalties both for the sponsor and the applicant.
Nice. Thank you, Mr. Shailesh. Will you get work permit if you apply for the spousal or common law?
Yes, there is a provision of getting a work permit for under both the streams, for spousal and common in law. You both are eligible. Applicants under this stream are applicable for work permit. So once you get your AOR, once your eligibility is cleared, you may apply for your work permit.
Good. Thank you, Mr. Shailesh. What can lead to denial of spousal application?
Well, the visa officer has to go through a lot of stuff here in spousal application, because the only criteria before an immigration officer is that the marriage has to be genuine. So it's the onus is on the applicant and the sponsor to prove that the marriage is genuine. It's not a marriage of convenience. The marriage is not based solely to acquire immigration status. Therefore, the visa officer will look at the application, whether your social media post is accurate, your all other documents which says that you are married, there is a good communication history, there is a financial history, financial interdependence, emotional interdependence, and if you have a child, then you have a child support dependence. So there are so many factors which a visa officer looks. But one of the major factors here is emotional interdependence upon each other, which you can see through chat history, social media posts, and letters from your relatives, all other details, phone calls. They would like to see how you interact with each other on day-to-day basis.
Okay. Thank you, Mr. Shailesh. How much is the spousal application fee?
Well, the spousal application fee right now is around $1,200.
Okay.
So, it all depends upon different various factors as well, but it's around $1,200 right now.
Okay. Thank you, Mr. Shailesh. Thank you for coming. And guys, watch out for the Meet and Greet Festival. Mr. Shailesh will be there. Our sponsors are Top Connect. Send money everywhere with no fees. Top Connect. Send money everywhere with no fees. Come to Canada, beautiful country. Introducing Canada to the world.
Introducing Canada to the world. Life Goes On Foundation, Toronto, Canada, LGO.
Keep watching Life Goes On GHTV. Okay, so you can't Life Goes On GHTV. Ope Canada and Sema or the Bro. Of course, Ope Ghana and Sem are airco if you about Bremanina or Dantan Hono the Bro. We are Ghana new Obedu Canada. We hear immigration advice. Mr. Bruce Kuya Obwao. If you offer program be a friend, Meet and Greet Festival. This year, Meet and Greet a yeduchum. Until you for Muntu Mrike, Namumra, na Yanko, na Yamfa, M1.
Dusty D, come to Canada. Keep watching Life Goes On GHTV. We do this every day.
Come to Canada. Come support. You already know what it is. Don't forget to join the newcomers group. Keep watching Life Goes On GHTV. Charlie, untia ubeti. Just understand, hey, Mr. Bruce, never run the show. Captain number 1, Odogu, Wawunitia.
Life goes on.
Yeah.
Yo, what's up, beautiful people? This is your boy, Watermaya, and I want to tell you all, keep watching Life Goes On TV. Peace out.
Keep watching Life Goes On TV. Yeah.
Keep watching Life Goes On GHTV. Toronto, Canada. Introducing Canada to the world.
Introducing Canada to the world. Life Goes On Foundation, Toronto, Canada, LGO.
Keep watching Life Goes On GHTV, Toronto, Canada.
Keep watching Life Goes On GHTV. Come to Canada. Beautiful country, lovely people. Enjoy.
Are you a new international student, visitor, or a refugee in Canada? Thinking of where to get help in order to enjoy your stay here? Then, Life Goes On Foundation is here for you. We help you with accommodation posting, job postings, and references, free advice from RCIC, regulated Canadian immigration consultants, sharing and networking, advice and recommendations. So, why won't you tell your friends and family to join Life Goes On Foundation? Because with us, you are sorted. Life Goes On Foundation. Together, we can make it.